Okay. So, who's your godly parent? 'Cause I'm bored and I don't know. I feel like I should post on this channel at least once. If I sound weird, I'm kind of sick. Which camp activity are you excited for the most? Training, arts and crafts, and or working at the forges, campfire sing-along and s'mores, Pegasus riding, climbing wall, capture the flag, beach activities, canoeing, swimming, etc. Probably arts and crafts. Which parent is your godly parent? I think father. Which house would you like to live in? This one, this one, this one, or this one? It's really hard. I think this has a nice view. Sun or moon. I like the sun. I like the weather outside. But I'm still inside. Which scent do you find most appealing? Mint, ochre moss in the earth, home, spring flowers, or ocean air? I like flowers. None of the other scents are appealing to me. Which are you drawing more? Which are you drawn to more? What could be, what was? Kind of confused by this question. What is, I guess? I'm not really sure. Which category are you drawn to? Black, white, gray, gold, silver, yellow, red, orange, purple, green, blue? I like metallics and light colors. So gold, silver, I guess. Which path are you following? Okay, most of these look creepy, but I'm probably gonna get bit by a tick here. I'm going to get kidnapped here. I'm gonna get creeped out here, but whatever, I'm going down that one. Which symbol would you want to represent you? A dog, like a wheel, an eagle, I forget what that thing is, some sort of bird, a, a dolphin, and a pair of wings, a mallet, a snake, or a snake. I love snakes, so I think a snake. Or a dog. No, I don't know what's happening. Okay. Would you rather be remembered for your loyalty and dedication to your family and friends, your physical power on the battlefield, your intelligence, a single contribution, inventive idea, victory, etc.? I think loyalty and dedication because trust is a lot for me. Which part of the rose are you? The obvious blooming bud. The often forgotten, I don't know what that word is, leaf. The prickly thorn the viewers are often too quite miss. Reading skills are so bad. The supportive stem that keeps the structure together. The bloom, because I'm amazing. I don't know. Which island of the sea of monsters do you want to visit? I don't think I want to visit any of these. But since I am originally a girl, I think I'd go to Cersei's Island just to get like a makeover. When fighting off another opponent or monster, which weapons would you rather use? Sword or dagger, bow and arrow, or throwing knives, spear? I rely on my own power. I like a bow and arrow. I do archery, so bow and arrow. There's been an attack on camp in the middle of the night. Another camper wakes you up in front of what's going on. After eternal shock and confusion wear off, what would be your plan of action? Seek out whoever's in charge and work to solve the issue. Take charge of the situation and seek out ways to learn more about what's going on. That probably get you killed. But maybe not. I don't know. Arm yourself and wait amongst the other campers for further instructions. Stumble out of bed and repeatedly ask questions of the camper who just woke you up. I'm clueless when I wake up, so this one, the bottom one, definitely. When making decisions, who do you consider first? Yourself, others, depends. Others, I don't trust myself. Strong or swift? I think I'm kind of strong. I don't know. Stronger than most of my friends. I don't know. Okay, I have to read so much. It's Friday and you're playing capture the flag. Your friend has placed along placed you along the creek border patrol. In the distance, you hear a shout, and for a moment, leave post to find your friend con- con- conquered by three of the. Why are some of these words so hard for me? Attempt fighters, whatever. Um, from the opposite team. You, oh my god, just a few feet beside your teammates, the opposing team's flag. You're new at camp and you're not the best fighter. You have three options. What do you choose? Yay, more. You quickly devise a plan in which you disable the opposing team, grab the flag effectively, and win the game. However, you will make enemies of three others and suffer the consequences later. Probably not. I'm not that fast at thinking. You run. You run away from the scene and guard the other team's flag. Um, Guard off your team's flag. Someone else who will likely have heard the shouts come um and come over to your friend's defense, and your team will win. But you will not be part of the glory. You will run after your friend's defense and help to fend off the opposing team. Unfortunately, they quickly overpower you and seriously injure you in the process. Do I want to hurt someone get help? Win but not be part of the glory, or have enemies? I'm used to the middle one, so let's do the middle one. Sorry. What is your fatal flaw? I have no idea what that means. Low self-esteem. Don't need to ask. There's three items in your room. Which call out to you the most? A map thing, a mirror thing, night things. Night things, they look cool. I have never. What? I'm confused. Your godly parent is Ares, god of war. You're a member of Cabin 5. Your demigod abilities include the ability to adapt and multiply weapons. No, I can't do that. The ability to feelings of anger and fear others. I can't do that. I hate making people scared. I'm confused. I hate making people scared. Okay. Well, that concludes it. My confusion. I don't know how to end this. Goodbye.